Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars here in Addison, Illinois. And today I am presenting to you guys a 1970 Buick GS455 car. The paint job on the car has just been completed. We just got it back today from the body shop. It's finished in its original desert gold color. Beautiful original sheet metal that I can tell. Awesome factory Buick wheels. The chrome on the car is in good condition, along with its original bezels, grille, excellent vinyl top, original to me, and also the black bucket seat console interior is in excellent condition. The motor, from what I can retrieve from the information I have, this is a factory GS car. And one of the ways that you can tell in 1970 is that when you look at the VIN number on the car, the ones that begin with 4463, the 4463 tells you that it's a real Buick GS 455 motor in the car. Sorry, I'm so used to saying 454, but this is the 455. G code in the VIN, which stands for that it's been built in Farmingdale, Massachusetts. Okay. Now the paint job on the car is excellent. We just paid about $12,000 to have it redone, and the shop did an excellent job. Getting back to the stage one, it's rated at 360 horsepower. Most people say that it exceeds over 400. And they did that, I believe, for some kind of policy back in the day on rating horsepower for the insurance companies. Engine sounds excellent on the car. We were told it's been rebuilt with less than 5,000 miles on the car. It also has functional cold air induction system. The transmission on the car is its factory turbo hydromatic 400X transmission. Now, this Buick has the rare 12 bolts in the back, and if you didn't know this, hold on, there's the 12 bolts with the sway bar. The 12 bolt rear ends on the Buick GS455 cars were only installed in the Farmingdale, Massachusetts plants, okay? And that tells you that in the VIN as the G code, as I described a little bit earlier. The car also has factory tinted glass, okay? I did mention the vinyl top is in very good condition. The trunk is very solid. Now, when I look inside the trunk here, I don't feel any patches inside. So this here, because it has the factory stampings, if you can see it there, original quarter. And on the passenger side, when I get my hand in the passenger side, I believe that there was a new skin put from this point to the bottom, because up in here, I can see a seam that goes across, okay? But they did a really nice job on it, and look at that desert gold finish. Weather stripping in most places on the car is in very good condition, but it does have original weather stripping around the doors, which I'll show you. There's the dual exhaust. The chrome bumpers are original to the car, along with all the trim as well. Look at the finish here. Beautiful mirror-like finish. You got the Buick Correct Magnum wheels on it. Door handles are original to the car. Dual sport mirrors, as you can see there on both sides. Let me close the hood here so you can see everything. There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Love it. Let's check out the interior. Inner outer door jambs are excellent. Door panels are in very good condition. They are original, along with the bucket seats and the console on the car. See, this is all original here, so you would have to, if you wanted to replace that and the vertical as well, it's about 200 bucks on eBay. Look at the door jamb, how nice and beautiful that is. Let's check out the back seat. Seat belts intact. Headliner is tight on the car. You would need a dome light. Package tray is nice as well. Dash pad looks excellent. And the car is showing 85,085 miles. Here's the console. Aftermarket radio, old school Kenwood tape players installed. And there's the controls for your heat and defrost. Passenger side. So there you have it, guys. The Buick GS. Now let's get this baby started. Let's go. Okay, so that's how she sounds. A couple of other details is that right now the horn is inoperable. The passenger headlight needs to be replaced. Those were the two things that we still have to do. Those are very minor things and will be taken care of prior of us delivering this Buick GS to you. Now, MGM Classic Cars is located at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois, 60101. We are by appointment only, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., and Saturday from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. for showings. If you want to take advantage of our driveway delivery, I'm going to leave you my phone number at the end of this video. All of our deliveries are driveway deliveries right to your doorstep, fully insured for the purchase price of the vehicle. Now, if you guys are looking to finance this Buick, it's not a problem. If your credit score is anywhere between 625 and 739, you will need about 10% down to get qualified. Now, everybody's credit is a little bit different, so it's all my financing is subject to approval. If your credit score is 740 and higher, you have a no money down option. All of my rates and terms are very good condition. Are in very good standings. You'll be impressed with the terms and conditions. There's no prepayment penalties on any of my loans as well. So if you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. You got to see what I got coming tomorrow. You're going to love it. If you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it, guys. Keep in mind, if you want to bookmark our webpage to see all of our vehicles, check out mgmclassiccars.com. My name is Thomas, and here are some of our beautiful classics that we travel throughout the country and hand pick that we have here in our current inventory. We got over 100 cars available in a couple different buildings at our dealership. Once again, thank you for watching MGM Classic Cars. This is my 1970 Buick GS455 with a Stage 1 upgrade. Let's talk soon. My number is 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching.